Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new topic, algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics, deals with symbols and rules for manipulating those symbols. Algebra involves algebraic expressions or manipulating equations. The basic building blocks of an algebraic expression are variables and constants and the operating symbols such as plus, minus signs. What are constants? Constants are the part of the algebraic expression that involve only numbers. They are known as constants because the value is always the same. It is definite. There are no variables in the term that can change the value of the constant. The number 8 is a constant because it has a particular value and it is known to everyone. It cannot be changed. What are variables? In an algebraic expression, the letters represent variables. They are not constant. The value of these terms can be changed from time to time. Variables are quantities that can take any value and they are denoted by small alphabets A, B, C, etc. Coefficient. Coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. Example, 6z means 6 times z and z is a variable. So 6 is a coefficient. Variables with no number have a coefficient of 1. Example, x is equal to 1x. Look at the example. 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. Here, 4 is the coefficient, x is a variable, minus sign, that is the operator, 7 and 5 are constants. Patterns. Now we are going to form some patterns using matchsticks. The pattern formed is triangle. For one triangle, number of sticks used is 3. For two triangles, number of sticks used will be 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. For 3 triangles, number of sticks used will be equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. For 4, it will be 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 sticks, and so on. Now let us go for the next pattern. The shape formed is W. How many sticks are used here? For forming one W, 4 sticks are used. So for 2, it will be 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 sticks. Next, for 3, it will be 3 into 4 sticks, that is equal to 12 sticks, and so on. In this pattern, you can see squares and circles. For one square, there are 3 circles. For 2 squares, there are 6 circles. For 3, 9 circles. For 4, it will be 12. And for 5 squares, it will be 15 circles, and so on. Operations on variables. Madhi is 3 years elder than his sister Nila. If we know Nila's age, can we find Madhi's? If Nila's age is n, you can see that Madhi's age is always n plus 3. This is the advantage of using variables. We do not need different statements for different values of the age. As we give different values for n, we get different values for n plus 3. This is clear from the following table. Nila's age is n, Madhi's age is n plus 3. If Nila's age is equal to 4, Madhi's age will be equal to 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. If n is equal to 8, 8 plus 3 will be equal to 11. If n is equal to 12, n plus 3, that is 12 plus 3 will be equal to 15. Exercise 2.1. Fill in the blanks. The letters A, B, C, etc. are used to represent variables. Next, a quantity that takes different values is called a variable. Next, if there are 5 students in a bench, then the number of students in n benches is 5 into n. Here, dash is the variable, n is a variable. Use a variable to write the rule which gives the number of ice candy sticks required to make the following patterns. For some, a pattern of letter C. You are going to make the letter C using candy sticks. So, for making the letter C, for one C, it will be 3. For 2, 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. For 3 C's, 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. For 4, it is 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. For 5, 5 into 3, that is equal to 15. For 6 C's, 6 into 3, that is equal to 18 sticks. If the number of C formed is n, in general, let us take the letter n. Then, the number of ice candy sticks required for n will be equal to 3 into n, that is equal to 3n. A pattern of letter M. Number of sticks used for 1 M is equal to 4. Therefore, for 2, it will be 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. For 3, 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. For 4, 4 into 4, that is equal to 16 sticks. For 5, 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 sticks, and so on. If the number of M formed is n, then the number of ice candy sticks required is 4 into n, that is equal to 4n. The teacher forms groups of 5 students in a class. How many students will be there in P groups? Number of groups. Let us take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And number of students. For one group, 5. For 2, it will be 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. For 3, it is 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. For 4, 4 into 5, that is equal to 20, and so on. If it is P, it is 5 into P, that is equal to 5P. Answer is 5P students will be there in group P. Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Write Arivalagan's age in terms of his father's age. It is given that Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Let us take the father's age as n. So, Arivalagan's age will be n minus 30 years. If u is an even number, how would you represent the next even number and the previous even number? We know that difference between two even numbers is equal to 2. Given that u is an even number, hence the next even number is u plus 2. Previous even number is u minus 2.